Welcome to Acuity AI Education's Policy Scanner. What this completely free tool does is scan the policy page on your school or MAT website. It will read every single policy and it will tell you when it was written and when it's next due for review, saving you the time of having to trawl through all the policies to make sure that they're up to date. This service is free and you can use it as often as you want. In order to use it, all you need to do is put in 3 pieces of information. Firstly, the name of the school or MAT that you are checking. Secondly, get the exact link to the policies page on the school or MAT's website and paste it into the second box. And thirdly, just give us the email address that we need to deliver the report to as soon as it's ran. As soon as you've given us that information, click Run Scan, and that report will shortly be arriving in your inbox. So just keep an eye on your email inbox and you can close the web page and it'll arrive very, very shortly. In addition, while you're on our website, we also offer other services that might help you. We offer a free complete scan of a school website for DFE compliance, and we also offer a routine and regular website auditing service to check that your website's up to date in all of the DFE's criteria and that all policies are up to date. So why not have a look at that too? But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the policy scanner and I hope it saves you some time.